Morning and welcome. I'm JC Yogi. Today we're gonna do some breath work in the morning as you wake up. First things, you might feel a little stiff, you might feel a bit tired, you might feel a bit achy, you might step a little bit wrong. The pranayama we're gonna do is really powerful breath and it's help us to kind of like get that fire going in the body. So really powerful. I would suggest to do this one on empty stomach, maybe some water, no more than that. Perhaps, or if you drink coffee, for example, if you like me, drink coffee in the morning, leave an hour at least. So I have my coffee very early and it's just about 8 o'clock, so I'm really doing this prayer with you. So first, make sure you're seated upright position. So I'm using the cushion to make sure my knees at least the same level with my hips. I'm gonna take that seat for the upright. Take the thumb and index finger together. Shoulders relax. Always neck is long. So the breath called Kapalabhati, breath of fire, is going to engage your abdomen. We're doing 3 rounds of this breath. And each round about a minute. Okay? So let's go for it. Exhale out to reset. Inhale in. Second round. And exhale out. The final round, you might find it a little bit harder on the final round, that's okay. This is the practice. Final round. and exhale it out. Always after your Kapalabhati, take a few minutes or so to reset the breath. Notice your nadis, your energy channels, left and right nostril. Each has a power, each has an energy, and that represents something, of course. But the Kapalabhati, like I say, it not only bring the fire energy into your abdomen, it kind of like allow that energy to move upward, and open up the nostril. When we open up the nostril, your energy moves towards the back of the skull. And that's why I often say it's called shining breath, especially when we work with a breath retention. So keep tuning into these videos, because there will be part 2 and part 3 and part 4, where I can guide you with some breath retention using that Kapalabhati breath. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and follow, or maybe share with some friend who will benefit from these practices. Namaste.